Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'm in my driveway. And in today's video, I'm going to retry an old mod that I had on my F-Type. So originally I had the Jag sticker here, but the leaper faded and I asked for a new leaper, but against my consent, they also removed the Jag sticker and they added the regular script underneath. So this time I'm going to do the Jag script again, but with a physical script. So for that I need a Jaguar script, well, another one. Leaper came with it, but not needed. Sticky stuff remover from Halfords, not a sponsored post. A microfiber cloth. And of course, floss. So step one is to floss out the unwanted letters. So, don't need the U. Take two, I'll need another. Okay, that's the U removed now, so let's remove the G and the R. Step two is to remove the adhesives via the sticky stuff remover and the microfiber cloth. Okay, so shake the bottle, spray about 1 foot away. Wait for about 30 seconds. Time to give these a wipe now. Honourable mention, the underside of the wing makes a great shelf. Otherwise, that's all of the sticky residue gone now. Now then I've got to wipe it with some soapy water to remove the excess. And here's the result. It's not brilliant, you can, maybe not on camera, but in person you can just about see where the letters were. Step 3 is to add the new script. Masking tape would be good, but in this case I'm just using the sleeve that the script was originally in. Okay, so for this I will need to remove this. Actually, be right back. Bonus tool, a pair of scissors. So for this, I will need to remove the top cover, which is easier said than done. And what I'm going to do is cut the letters I would like, so the A and the G. Luckily, the underside of the wing makes a great shelf. There we go. So that's what we need. And we also need the other A. Now I need to gently remove the reverse. Almost there. I think that's the G all good. Give it a few push. And now for the other A. The good thing about having the original scripts underneath is that you can just sort of guess where the new letters ought to go. So, align, and align, tilt. That's 2 out of 3 done. And now the final A. So we're going to use this one here. Conveniently, this one came off easily. So it stuck to the top one, so align, straighten, and in it goes. And here's the result. And here is the result. It's not 100% perfect. The A's are slightly closer here than they are here. But personally, I'm happy with the result. It's close enough to not trigger my OCD. And from afar, it looks like it came straight from the factory like that. And with regards to the A's, I think the same could be said about the F-Type that Jeremy Clarkson drove in Mauritania.
It's still an Jag. Oh, that's good, actually. I've changed the badge.
No, you've changed the badge.
And as James May said, I've changed the badge. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap my script from Jaguar to Jag. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!